The AGROVISION 2024 had organized a two-day conference from 17th to 18th May 2024 at CAU Imphal Umyam. The first zonal convention, Northeast Bharat Futuristic Agriculture for Atmanirbhar Bharat in the Eastern Himalayan region, was inaugurated today. Professors and students of various northeastern agricultural universities attended the conference. Professor Sanjay Kumar Singh, ICAR New Delhi, graced the event as the chief guest. AgriVision 2024 will cover the key sectors of agriculture and discuss various issues and challenges of the modern agri-system and how to solve those using omics technologies and new technological tools and proceed towards smarter agriculture.
Use as for the human race, the farm animals, and everything, health sector, what we are trying to get back to those practices that the traditional medicine system, which is already so powerful here. So that need to be mainstream and futuristic, because wherever, the people who are moving, West had gone to the ebb of the technology, but they could now say that climate change, it is taking the toll on the entire environment, and now they are talking that no,